How to connect Facebook page to Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can connect your Facebook page to your Instagram account. So having said that, let's jump into the video. So here you can see I'm logged in into my page right here, and if you don't know, if you can switch your profiles over here, or you can click on the menu icon and then you can select pages and then select the page you want. And once you're here, you're going to come over here onto the left hand side and you're going to click on settings. All right, you're also going to make sure that your account that you're using, your Instagram account, is actually a business account. So for example, you can see right here, this is my account. Right now I can click on the settings option and click on the professional account right here. This is my account right here. You can see right here my account is a business account. Technically it's a professional account, but you can see right here this is how it looks like. So you're going to make sure that it is, and once it is, you're going to come over here onto the left hand side, coming back into Facebook page, clicking on the settings, scrolling down underneath permissions, you're going to find linked accounts. You're going to click on linked accounts, wait for it to load up. Here you can see connected account is Instagram. You can see it's already connected, but you can remove this account connection right here. So you can see right here currently it is in under review right here. You can review your connection, but you can go ahead and click on disconnect, and then you can reconnect it over here. I'm going to go ahead and do that as well. So here you can see click on connect, and here you can see it's asking me to connect the account. Click on connect, click on continue, opens up the Instagram login section. You're going to log in into your Instagram account with your Facebook page. Then it's going to ask you to go ahead and connect it to the portfolio, which is already created if you have the Meta Business Suite account. Once you've created that, you should be good to go. Then it's going to send you a code to your email, so make sure you go ahead and check that out as well. Okay, so this is weird. I don't understand. Sometimes Facebook does this, but it just keeps loading. I already have the code right here, but I can't input the code because for some reason it's still loading something. Let me actually see what it is that it's loading. So all right, so it's loading something. I don't understand what. This is what it's loading, because there's nothing over here. All I gotta do is just paste my code, but I can't because of it. I sometimes hate Facebook for this, but yeah, once you've entered the code, you should be good to go. All right, there we go. Now I can paste the code. So let me go ahead and see. There we go. This is the code. Copy that, paste that, click on continue. Boom. Should be good to go now. It's not connected. So weird. There we go. All I had to do was reload it. Now we are now connected. Boom. So there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you can connect your Facebook page to your Instagram page. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.